You want to find out which version of your funnel page converts better. So in this video, I will show you how to split test a funnel page in GoHighLevel so you can optimize for more leads and sales easily. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to use the link from the description for the 30 days GoHighLevel free trial link, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So don't miss that out, and let's get back to the video. So to do that, you have to log in your account in this GoHighLevel, and then after logging in, you have to click on these sites here from this left side panel, and here you will see there is option for the funnel, and you will be automatically on this page by clicking on these sites and just select the funnel. Like let's say in this video I'm going to use this funnel, so open this. So to starting the split test for this funnel, you have to click on this create a variation and just click on this duplicate control. It will automatically make a copy of this funnel. Now click on this edit to customize this variation. Now here just change the thing which one you want to change for the variation. Let's say I want to change the color of this button, so I'm just selecting this and let's change the color. Let's say I want to change this color. Okay, this is looking good. So for example, in this video I'm just going to change this only one, so you can change all of this thing, or you can make it a different kind of funnel, a fresh one. So then just click on this save or publish. So now you have to set it at 50-50 so that it can send the equal numbers of the lead or the visitors or the audience, like this for the 50 audience and this for the 50% of your audience or your traffic. Then click on this apply. And that's it. You have created a split for this funnel, and after some day or after some time you can see all of the analytics here for this split test. So that's it basically. This is how you can create a split for this funnel, and you can see the result here. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.